You know, film terminal velocity. What does mean? If somebody fall from very, very high position down. So, and they measured Falcon speed, and maximum Falcon speed is, everybody sitting? If I will tell you, you will fall down. 240 miles per hour.
Whoa.
It's 380 kilometers per hour. I cannot image it. It is a speed they measured with devices. So it's a Falcon. So, what want to... And Falcon will try to catch it. But if I swing and do nothing, he will attack and catch immediately, first time. Then show is over. Not enough for your pleasure. Not enough for Falcon to be trained. So, as a coach, I will tease him. He will attack, but last moment I will take it away. Forward. He will pass, turn around, attack again, pass, turn around. So we train the birds, okay?
What if he will get your hand?
Can you see his eyes?
Yes?
Yes.
No, you
Look,
can't see his eyes.
if I ask children any question, they say yes. Can you see his eyes? Yes. Yes, very good. You have Röntgen so. Okay.
I can see.
He has a mask on his eyes.
Okay.
Gonna go fast.
I forget to make the birds more visible. I will take this yellow stripe on him. And from today, his name is Yellow Lightning.
Lightning is yellow.
Поймай пиджинга. Пиджинга!
Схватил! Поймал!
Схватил!
Yay! Bravo! Big.
No, he is very dangerous. Look, do you see? This is a weapon of Golden Eagle.
Wow.
This talon and one talon behind. These two.
Вот это нормально. Посмотри, у мальчика даже.
Мясо.
Мясо?
Бобус, мясо.
Мясо ест. А чего ты хочешь есть? Вот.